Can't believe I'm getting the Evo tuned again. This thing is sick with the carbon roof. All right, time to fill up on gas. I didn't get to put my injectors in, and so yeah, there's no 85, guys. But we're filling up right now because we got a long drive to go. We got a tuning appointment at 2, so got shadow all cleaned up. This thing was looking really bad, and so yeah, it's good to go. The diffuser is back on, exhaust is on, everything seems to be running okay. So I grabbed myself some snacks and an energy drink. So hopefully everything turns out okay. The car doesn't have really any issues yet. And we should be able to get rid of that check engine light. That's just for the cat. And yeah, let's go. Getting the Evo ready, taking off all the wheels, and then we're about to hook it up. Can't believe I'm getting the Evo tuned again. It's been so long. I honestly just want the car to be running right. Not that it wasn't, I just got the full bolt-ons, stock injectors, and maybe up the boosters a little bit. I don't know. Last time I was here, it was Daniel who tuned my Evo, and he's tuning it again. He did an awesome job last time. 91 and 85, zero issues with the car. But today, just 91. He's doing his magic over there. He has a S2K, but he doesn't have it with him today. He's got this Beamer M3. God damn, with the carbon roof. Jeez. I already started doing some pulls on the dyno, and you can totally tell right away when it sounds so much better. Can't believe I'm tuning this thing again, guys. It's been so long. I wish I could have done the 85, but it's too cold right now anyways, and I really don't need the power. I just want the car running better. It's not good to have bolt-ons and not tune the car. Damn. So the car right now is making 290 on a safe tune. I'm not trying to push the car to its limits. Maybe get like 300 or something. The car's pretty stock, so we're trying to just dial up the tune. So far it sounds good. Alright, so this is what the car made right over here. Stock graph. Now the green one. So 310, not bad. So we're hitting a little bit of traffic, guys. So this is LA, not surprised, but so I already did a couple pulls getting on the on-ramp, and this thing pulls, guys. I forgot what it's like to have this car like throw you in its seat. God damn. I kind of wish I did have gone E85, and this thing's only 300 horsepower. Oh, 306. And imagine 400. We're going up some mountains right now, and I was just thinking, what better way to test the car out but to give a few friends ride along on the Evo. At the same time, it's kind of like a reaction video, so we'll see what they think. The Evo's not crazy fast, but it definitely feels way better than stock. This is Jose, guys. He's been literally supporting the channel since before we even had 400 subscribers. I remember the day that I got 400 subscribers, and I was asking him about the giveaway. So he's been with us for a while. We're gonna go give it a little rip and see what he thinks about the Evo. It's not that fast, man. It's just
I already think it's nice, and it's faster than anything I've ever driven. So
it's just a little bit faster than stock. It's just running right, because with all the bolt-ons, it was kind of lagging.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh, and those brakes.
Yeah.
That was good.
They're pretty good. Alright, here we go. What do you think?
Oh, I think it's fucking amazing.
It's good, huh?
It fucking puts you back in your seat.
Yeah, it pulls, man. It pulls a little bit. You ready?
Yeah, I think good. Oh god. That thing is pulling.
Oh, there they are. The hawk brake pads.
Oh, but they're working. They're really working.
Hell yeah.
Man, you're gonna send me home with a smile on my face.
And he's ready to go to work right now too, so he should be ready.
Oh god.
Alright, well, what do you think?
Oh, I think it's amazing.
You liked it?
It's fast, it sounds nice, it handles real well, the brakes are amazing.
And he's got a Lancer too, so he's in the family. Alright, well, thank you, man.
Take care, thank you so much. Take it easy, okay? What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Hey, my bad for...
Yeah, I was waiting for you. I was about to take off.
Yeah, let me just put on my sweater and I got you, bro. Yeah.
Damn. What's your name?
Alan, bro.
Alan? Shoot.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Alright, let's go do this.
Yeah, how's your day, bro?
I'm freaking tired, man. I got off of work last night. I worked all last night. Got off of work this morning and I'm still up. I gotta go back today to go get this thing warmed up before we start doing some pulls. What do you think?
Yeah, fucking awesome, bro. Dude, that was amazing, bro. It was so smooth.
comfortable here in the video. Feel the turns right now. Going up.
For sure, man. Let's see it.
I'm not gonna push the car too much, but we'll have some fun.
Definitely.
It gets out of the corners pretty quick.
Yeah, it's... God damn, bro. Oh, that's amazing.
It feels nice, huh?
Yeah.
It's like...
It's super quick around the corners.
Yeah.
So smooth, too.
No sliding whatsoever. Damn!
That was crazy.
My freaking brakes.
It was a pleasure, right?
Alright, dude. Well, I hope you enjoyed it.
That was awesome, man. Alright, man. It was a pleasure.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you for having me again.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
See ya.
See you.
Well guys, there you have it. The Evo is finally tuned. This thing is running so much better than before. I am so glad with the way that this car came out. Obviously it's not on E85, but I don't need it that fast right now. The more power, the more stuff that breaks. I still have my 1300 ID injectors in case I do want to go E85 one day, which I might. I'm still enjoying the car as it is right now. As you guys saw, we gave a couple of friends a ride on the Evo. I wanted to get one more person, but our schedule just didn't line up, and I wanted to get this video out for you guys. It's been almost 2 months since I've been working on this video, so I just went ahead and did only 2 of them. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, should I do E85 next or just keep the car as it is, because it is running pretty good, no issues. And you know, once you start putting parts in the cars, more stuff starts breaking, which can get very expensive. I know I mention it to you guys all the time, but I really want the rear Voltix quarter panels just to complete the car. I'm getting so tired of the stock rear end. So that might be my next move for the Evo. I hate the process because you do have to cut your stock body, which there is no going back after. But then we'll be able to put some fat tires on here, maybe some new wheels. I really like the TEs, so I don't know if I'm gonna stick with TEs or go with something different once we get the rear fenders on the Evo. Next video, we got something coming for the GTR, so don't miss out. And like always, thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.